Morning, Bill, here with the Metals Minute. Today is Wednesday, June 15th, 2022. Well, today is Federal Reserve Announcement Day, and this is when they announce not only what the interest rates will be in the immediate future, but also we're likely to hear their projected rate of increases and pace of increases. And those are due to be announced after 2 p.m. Eastern Time today. And so stay tuned. There's some different opinions about that. One of the premier bond investors, Jeffrey Gundlach, he believes they should raise the rates to 3%. However, that's what he thinks they should do, not necessarily what he or anyone else thinks they will do. As far as consensus estimates, it's between 0.5 to 0.75. So we'll see. Most are leaning towards the 0.75 with an announced bias towards continued increases. Although, with that said, we are facing an unprecedented period of time in terms of difficult situations for the Federal Reserve to try to manage and deal with. So it's almost like they either have to put the economy in recession or salvage the system. So it's like it's a rock in a hard place. And we have the metals moving up this morning and overnight. However, as we talked about on Monday, we were in a vortex of downward pressure on asset prices of every kind. Even global bond markets, the global index of bonds worldwide is down just shy of 20%. So it's affecting everything. There's only been a few cases where American bond indexes were down negative for a year's time. And this is so far shaping up to be the worst year since they started tracking those bond indexes so far. So we have a lot of stuff going down, and it did get the metals in the downdraft. However, the metals are coming back up today, and we have all the numbers there. Year to date, it's important to note also that silver and platinum are marginally lower, while many stocks, cryptos, and even bonds are in bear market territory. Silver and platinum marginally lower year to date. Gold and palladium still positive, with gold leading the way. So I think that's what we will see, and you'll notice on the weekly numbers that platinum and palladium really got hammered over the last week compared to gold and silver. And that's because platinum and palladium are more sensitive to economic conditions. They're not usually considered a monetary metal, such as gold and silver. But it seems as if we are either already in or going into a recession. And keep in mind, they don't announce that officially until generally several months after it's already started. So they have to, the way it's defined, they have to have a couple of consecutive quarters of recessionary conditions before they can say, yes, it's a recession. So it's likely we're already in one, but it won't be officially acknowledged for several months from now, anywhere from 3 to 6 months from now before they would acknowledge that fact. So keep that in mind. Gold and silver are considered monetary metals, and while they do have the paper market smash to deal with, that's something platinum and palladium have less issues with. They're not as sensitive to economic conditions, and in times when everything is going down, gold and silver are often the first to recuperate that and then lead the way in the ensuing years. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of economic numbers coming out today. Retail sales, business inventories, a lot of information that will impact the metals. Stay tuned. We'll keep you informed. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.